I've been working all day and these dishes are still not done. Maybe you should wash the dishes.
Well, maybe if you came home with a little energy from time to time, I wouldn't have to leave these dishes unwashed
And maybe
so that I would get some attention.
if you would wash the dishes, I would have energy.
You think that's the case?
Yeah.
Fine.
Fine.
I'll do them right now.
Yeah.
I'm going to do the dishes right now.
And you're coming with me. Alright, first of all, screw your dishwasher, okay? Grab yourself an abrasive like a dishcloth, a sponge, or a scrub daddy, and grab some dish soap, run some hot water, and wash your damn dishes. It's really that easy. Start with your knives and anything sharp, then move on to your breakables, and then grab any of those one-off weird shaped pieces, then move on to your bowls and your plates and your silverware and whatnots after that. When you're done, you can dry the dishes using a dish towel, you can put them on a drying rack, or you can open up your dishwasher and use the top rack of that. Doesn't always have to collect dust. Look, I know it's not fun washing dishes, and it's probably not even fun watching a video about washing dishes, but it's gotta be done. Cooking is cleaning. You need to have clean dishes and a clean environment to produce high quality food. So, wash your damn dishes.